Hi, it's Steve. In this video, we'll talk about what the ideal temperature in a refrigerator should be and how you can adjust it to your own personal preference. Most manufacturers will have a recommended or default setting for their models. For a fresh food temperature, that can range anywhere from 35 to 38 degrees Fahrenheit, and a freezer temperature of anywhere from 0 to plus 10 Fahrenheit. All of these models are adjustable to your own preference. However, we do caution that if you set your refrigerator controls to too cold of a temperature, you do run the risk of food freezing in the fresh food compartment, and also your refrigerator will run longer and use more energy. If you set your controls to too high of a setting, you also run the risk of food spoiling. There are several styles of controls to adjust these temperatures, and we'll give you an example of these and how to adjust them for your model. Now, most refrigerators that have 2 or more doors will have 2 or more controls to operate it. Typically, there will be one for the freezer and one for the fresh food compartment. On these models of refrigerators, one of the controls actually turns the compressor on and off based on a specific temperature, and the other control varies how much air comes from the freezer into the fresh food compartment. Now, the controls on most fridges will either be a numbered scale, a named scale such as cold, colder, coldest, or you may find even some models that actually will display the ambient temperature in both the fresh food and freezer compartments. If your model does not have an ambient temperature indicated, but you do want to know what the temperature is, you'll need to use a quality thermometer and immerse it in a jar of liquid in your fresh food compartment or a semi-solid substance in your freezer to get an accurate temperature. Now, if you've decided that the manufacturer's recommended settings aren't to your preference and have decided to make a change, keep in mind that whichever control you adjust, be it the fresh food or the freezer temperature, will affect both compartments. And remember that it takes about 24 hours for temperatures to stabilize in your refrigerator after you make an adjustment. Need help with anything else around your home? Search our channel for thousands of helpful videos that will walk you through your home repairs. For more information or the parts needed for these repairs, don't forget to check out partselect.com. Thank you so much for watching this video, and be sure to subscribe.